Hello and welcome to a new lesson. What is pragmatics? Lecture 58. Let's discuss the topic. First, let's have an example. And we have a word bank. What does it mean? Can you guess? We may mean a financial institution where we deposit money. We can say that I'm going to withdraw money from the bank. But then this word may also mean a river edge, and we can see in this picture, and we can make a sentence, we can make an utterance like we are going to have a party on the bank of the river, or how beautiful this bank of river is, and so on. But then when we use this word as a verb, it may mean depend up, and we can make a sentence like we shouldn't depend upon others. Interpreting the same word in the context, in the situation, in the background is what is known as pragmatics. So we can define pragmatics is the study of meaning in context. It studies how context shapes the meaning of individual utterances. Pragmatics focuses on what speakers mean in different situations, in different backgrounds, in different circumstances. It is not just about what words mean, but how context influences the interpretation of a specific utterances. And we can see here how the word bank is being interpreted in different contexts with different meanings. It focuses upon a single utterance, and that utterance may be a single word. Here, like the word bank, it is a single word, but it has various shades of meanings. A single written sentence, like we should not bank upon others. It is a single written sentence, and we can interpret it differently from the other sentences. Or a single speech act, like for example, we should not bank upon others. We should be independent. It is a single speech act, a complete process of speech. So what we come to the point is that pragmatics, which is a branch of linguistics, studies meaning in context. And that context will be about utterance. An utterance may be a single word, a single written sentence, or a single speech act. Hope you understand this concept. In brief, thank you and goodbye.